Welcome, welcome. And I would like to share some very interesting offers I got on Doordash today with you guys. First, like and subscribe if you have not done so yet. And let's actually begin. I went out into my neighbor town and kind of wanted to see what actually I can get and look at some of the offers that DoorDash has sent to me. Of course, I didn't take any offers because you guys do know that I'm still on strike. But man, look at that, 111 bucks for what? 2.5 miles from least famous recipe chicken? That was a nice offer. Here's another one, Little Caesars, 115 bucks. Man, that should be a good one. Let's check this one out. 112 bucks from McDonald's. And it's the interesting part is it's not like, there was no drivers. I seen some drivers out there, but these deliveries are just coming in very nicely. Of course, I seen the 225 and the other offer, but look at that. $100 for Guadalajara going 6 miles. And Zaxby's, $106 for 11.8 miles. Guys, honestly, as those offers start coming in and I start seeing these $100 offers, I'm like, maybe I should actually get off the strike. Maybe I need to take some of these offers. But like, nope, I'm not taking it. Look at this one, 114 bucks from Baskin Robbins, going only 1 mile. That's definitely something. Hey, I want to say is happy holiday, happy fourth, not the fourth, it's April 1st, which is April Fool's Day. Figure out, maybe all of this was just a fool's video.